Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mansa, and in today's video we will be going shopping at Hobby Lobby. Yes guys, if you are a fan of home decor, whether it's seasonal or just any time of the year, you know Hobby Lobby is the place to be. It has so many unique items, and they always have good sales. Right now they have 40% off everything pretty much in the store, I believe. So yeah, let's go in and see what they got. Lots of fall stuff coming up. All right, without wasting much of your time, let's get shopping. You guys, on first glance, I was getting overwhelmed. It might not look like it, but this store was so packed. It was just people all over the place. But as you can see, this store is so well stocked. They got stuff stocked all the way up to the ceiling. Look at those pumpkins. It's just so many options. But let's just start from somewhere, okay? So as you can see, you get a lot of the traditional fall colors, the orange, the reds, and the yellows. Just a lot of that traditional fall color. And also, I'm glad that I found this pattern again, the buffalo check, the black and white. That's what I did last year in my kitchen and my dining room. Yes, that's what I did last year. I had that Simply Grateful. Those are actually paper placemats. I had them last year, and I really like these. I am not really trying to get a lot of stuff because I need to go through the attic and see what I already have before I buy new stuff. That's always a good tip. You always want to look through what you have from previous years before you add any new item. So yeah, as you can see, really nice fall colors. I love all of these colors. Let me know in the comment section if you do anything different as far as decorating your home for fall. I don't really go too crazy, like I said. Maybe a wreath outside and a few items in the home just to remind me of the season. Yeah, that's all about I do. But let me know in the comment section if you do any type of prepping for fall. We also do cleaning for fall outside, okay, like end of summer cleaning, like power washing. I actually have a video coming up where I show you how we power wash our house, getting it ready for the next season, you know, getting rid of all those stuff from summer. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button. Now is a good time to do that. And while you're at it, hit on that notification bell, that bell icon on the side, and it will keep you notified whenever I upload a new video. All right, as you can see, we got a lot of stuff. I really like these really big pumpkins. This will look good on a porch. Yeah, if you're somebody that like these. And also a nice yard sign. This I bought last year, I remember. Yeah, I definitely have this from last year. See, it's always good to look at what you have before you buy stuff. I also found this really beautiful pics. Now, this one in particular was only one. I was looking for this all over the store, but I could not find it. I'm not into the traditional fall colors. I wanted something neutral, but I could not find it. That was the only one they had. That was what the lady said. So they run out of stuff pretty fast. But as you can see, these are really nice picks that you can put in a tall vase. If you have like a tall vase, they will sit very, very pretty on it. So yeah, you got some ribbons. For those of you that like to do DIY, you could use these in like a bow. They have really nice wreath that you can just use one of the ribbons and tie it into a beautiful bow and add it to the wreath or any simple wreath, and it would just give it this elevated look, and it would just look like you paid a whole lot of dollars, but you really did not. So yeah, lots of garlands as well. I do not buy any fall garlands. I go crazy for Christmas, but not fall, absolutely absolutely. A wide selection of picks again. Some of these I do pick up to just do like a quick table arrangement, just something to throw on a table like a centerpiece. Yeah, I really like these small pumpkins. These are also nice little picks that you can put in a small vase as well, and it will look so pretty. Add some of those berries and just some flowers, and you were good to go. A beautiful centerpiece right there. You guys, when I tell you Christmas is right here, you better believe it. I do not know where this year is going, but I was so amazed to see how much Christmas stuff was out. This is when the best stuff comes out. So please, if you are planning on buying any Christmas decor and you did not buy it right after Christmas, which is when the prices are crazy, crazy low, this is the time to get good stuff, because as the holidays get closer, baby, you are not even gonna see these. As you can see, this store is well stocked all the way up to the ceilings. They got beautiful Christmas trees. I got a flock tree, a new flock tree last year, so I'm definitely not buying a Christmas tree this year. That's gonna last me for a while. I really like these soldiers, although I don't buy any of them. I don't really decorate with them, but if you do, Hobby Lobby really has really nice ones, and everything, like I said, is on sale for 40% off. Lots of beautiful Christmas trees. I really like their tabletop trees. They are really sturdy. The base is so sturdy. Those cones are beautiful. Yeah, one thing I know that I am definitely going to buy this year though is a tree skirt. Yeah, my tree skirt that I have right now is old and just it does not fit with my taste right now. We change all the time. So I'm looking for either or a beige, like a tan color, like what you're gonna see coming up, or any of these silver would actually do as well, because my tree is flocked, so it would go with white, but I don't want it to be washed, so I think I'm gonna go with this tan, but I'm not getting it today though. So yeah, lots of stockings and just beautiful ornaments, different shapes, different sizes, just beautiful. I mean, they just upped their game this year. I am so surprised. It's just September, and man, people are stocking up on these Christmas stuff. Let me know how early you guys start buying Christmas stuff, decorations, gifts. Have you started? Let me know in the comment section below. One thing that I do buy every year though is picks and just ornaments, Christmas ornaments. I would really want to change my style, but I'm not ready for that investment this year because these things they add up. So I think I'm just gonna keep my theme from last year and just add a few new ornaments. But yeah, ornaments are one thing that I just like to add a few each year. So yeah, they have really nice schemes. If you're really going for one color scheme, they have different patterns. This year I'm really loving the silver, the whites, and this blush, this pastel color. These pastel colors are the bomb. Guys, I was so tempted to just switch everything up about my decor and just go with it, but yeah, it took the grace of God for me to stop, because that's a lot of for you to build up your collection. It does take quite a bit of money. So yeah, these big balls, the big ornaments are always a must have, especially if you have a tree that is not as full. Those big ornaments are gonna help you to fill in the blanks pretty much. I love them. Look at those. Those shoes are so classy. If you're really girly and you were into the pink glam, Hobby Lobby is for you. Your Christmas is gonna be so bomb. This one I particularly liked because it goes with the color in my living room, so I might be picking some of those later. But yeah, if you are into the blush pink, the pastel colors, man, these are really nice. There's velvet suede texture. Those are really classy and look really pretty. So yeah, lots of options for wreath, ribbons. Again, this royal blue color, guys, this is everything. It is so gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna be quiet and let you watch this video. If you're enjoying it, please also go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And yeah, I could not resist this. I just found it to be so different, just so unique and beautiful. I could not resist it, so I went ahead and grabbed two of those. Now these were $19.99 a piece, so that's expensive. They're like $20, and you get 40% off. But man, the look, it is like wood shavings. I'll make sure I bring it up close. Yeah, exactly, that's how it looks like. It looks like wood shavings, and it is so beautiful and actually so sturdy but not heavy at all. So I really loved it, and I grabbed two of those and just a few random white pumpkins. I also found a lot of cute wall decor. I am shopping for something, but I'm not quite sure. But yeah, they do have a lot of options on the wall decor sections as well. Also 40% off. So if you were shopping for something like that, make sure you check out Hobby Lobby. So I did grab one of these, but on a second thought, I ended up returning it because I just want to make sure that everything else comes together in the living room before I add any wall decor. So just always have that piece that is going to be like central to the room before you add any extra decor piece. That's always my rule of thumb. So I'm just going to wait until I get my new couch delivered and then set up everything. Then I would know exactly what I would want to add, because I might want to go with a different color. So yeah, I did end up putting that back. So the last place I checked out was their floral section. So this is different from the fall section. This is just Hobby Lobby's regular floral section. And guys, those were so cute. I ended up picking those picks. They look like pampas grass, and they were so pretty. So yeah, you got a lot of you got more fall picks over here. These are really nice, and just they look so real pretty much. But yeah, lots of options to choose from. Like I said, they really up their game. So yeah, I would have a video coming up to show you just a little decoration that I did for fall, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Stay safe. I love you all.